Get in the game. This world needs you. Okay? If you have not noticed, based off of the turbulent times that we have been having recently, time is winding up. It is time to stop playing with the enemy. You want to play with the enemy? As my old first lady used to say, y'all out here playing pity pat with the devil. Okay. He all for them games. But listen, it's time out for games. We got to get ready. We have to prepare ourselves. We have to get ready to go to the Father, and you should always be ready. Okay? Stay ready so you don't have to get ready, because you don't know your time or hour. I bless y'all. I hope this blessed you guys. And we will be resuming next week on another topic, because that's what the Lord told me. Okay? And I'm giving y'all what the Lord has given me. Be blessed. Have a wonderful day on purpose.